Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Fury Chopper. 1300 cc's, V-twin liquid cooled, fuel injection, shaft drive, factory Honda Chopper. You get the cool looks with the reliability. Only 722 miles on this gorgeous showroom condition midnight blue Fury Chopper. Come on down, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $10,499. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.